The performance-validated patent-derived, BEST-I, ignition component includes ignition cable,
Coil-near-Plug ignition set, COP cap insert, COP insulator, and plug coil COP. BEST-I ignition component provides a persistently faster and stronger ignition spark energy to improve the fuel combustion efficiency and engine performance, which is in line with the dyno testing results of BEST-I, improved torque, power and lambda values.
The performance-validated, BEST-I, ignition cable complies with SAE J2031 Type 4, Class E and Class F specifications, with no voltage breakdown at 35 kV, can withstand up to 59 kV, and application temperature ranges -50 degrees Celsius to +250 degrees Celsius. Dynamometers testing, a closed-loop test of a carburetor engine based on Mitsubishi 4G13 having BEST-I ignition cable or CNP ignition set as a direct replacement of OEM ignition cable or CNP ignition set. The dynamometers testing results showed that the BEST-I replacement improved torque and power, and enhanced lambda values. BEST-I ignition cable also solves the OEM misfire problem under high-speed driving. The performance-validated, BEST-I ignition cable provides a persistently and consistently faster and stronger ignition spark energy to improve fuel consumption efficiency and engine performance. As from the fuel-saving evaluation for a Toyota Coaster minibus, testing results showed that there is a saving of about 12% in LPG consumption. Dynamometers testing, an open-loop test, based on typical race performance engines, having BEST-I ignition cable as a direct replacement of the conventional typical high-performance ignition cables, in conjunction with ECU reprogramming. The dynamometers testing results showed the BEST-I ignition cable enables an improvement of vehicle power in between 15 horsepower and 30 horsepower, which is reflected from proven successful track records in racing events such as drift, drag, and endurance racings. Dynamometers testing, a closed-loop test of a single overhead camshaft Mitsubishi 4G18 engine equipped with an advanced injection ignition system based on the original designated coil head, having BEST-I COP insulator and BEST-I ignition cable as a direct replacement of OEM COP insulator and OEM ignition cable respectively. The dynamometers testing results showed that the BEST-I replacement enhanced the lambda values, which is in line with the improvement in fuel combustion efficiency caused by the faster and stronger ignition energy being produced by the BEST-I replacement. Dynamometers testing, a closed-loop test of a turbo engine based on a Mitsubishi Evo 10 ignition coil head equipped with a COP Coil-on-Plug direct injection ignition system, having BEST-I COP insulator as a direct replacement of OEM COP insulator. The dynamometers testing results showed that the BEST-I COP insulator provides a very consistent ignition spark energy to enhance the lambda values to a nearly ideal value of 1, which is in line with the improvement in fuel combustion efficiency caused from the faster and stronger ignition spark energy being produced by the BEST-I COP insulator. Dynamometers testing, an open-loop test of a Great Wall Haval M4 VVT engine equipped with a COP Coil-on-Plug direct injection ignition system, based on the originally designated coil head, and having BEST-I COP insulator as a direct replacement of OEM COP insulator. The open-loop test causes no restriction on the improvement of power and torque values from the limiting factor of the original designated ECU setting. The dynamometers testing results showed that the BEST-I COP insulator improved the power and torque by 30% at engine speed ranges of 2,500 rpm to 4,000 rpm, and about 12% improvement at an engine speed of 4,500 rpm. Also showing stable power and torque at engine speed ranges 4,000 rpm to 5,400 rpm, that reflecting a reduced engine vibration at high-speed driving. A demonstration example of ignition spark energy comparison for the BEST plug coil COP as a direct replacement of OEM plug coil COP based on Volkswagen and Audi AE888 first generation and AE888 second generation engines equipped with COP Coil-on-Plug direct injection ignition system. The BEST plug coil COP showed a persistently faster and stronger ignition spark energy. Dynamometers testing, a loop test of an AE888 Gen 2 turbo engine based on a Volkswagen Passat 2.0 TSI equipped with a COP Coil-on-Plug direct injection ignition system, for BEST plug coil COP as a direct replacement of OEM plug coil COP. The dynamometers testing results showed that the BEST plug coil COP improved the power and torque, which is in line with the improved fuel combustion efficiency and engine performance caused by the BEST plug coil's persistently faster and stronger ignition spark energy. With the limiting factor of the original designated ECU setting for the restriction of power and torque improvement under the closed-loop dynamometers testing, the BEST plug coil COP remains to have about 5% improvement in the vehicle power and torque. Another demonstration example of ignition spark energy comparison based on the Volkswagen and Audi AE888 Gen 3 engine equipped with a COP Coil-on-Plug direct injection ignition system, having the BEST plug coil COP as a direct replacement of OEM plug coil COP. The BEST replacement showed a persistently faster and stronger ignition spark energy. Dynamometers testing, an open-loop test of an AE888 Gen 3 2.0 turbo engine based on a Volkswagen 7 Malawian Quattros Golf GTI equipped with a COP Coil-on-Plug direct injection ignition system and without ECU reprogramming, having BEST plug coil COP as a direct replacement of OEM plug coil COP. Under the open-loop test condition of without the limiting factor of the original designated ECU setting, the dynamometers testing results showed that the BEST plug coil COP improved the power and torque by an average of 9% at a vehicle speed of above 70 km per hour, which is in line with the improved fuel combustion efficiency and engine performance caused by the BEST plug coil COP of providing a persistently faster and stronger ignition spark energy.